NIO ended the week trading at 45.5 US dollars, and this came after it had hit 35.2 US dollars on Monday. This brought a lot of excitement to the NIO long-term investors, as this just proved the strong fundamentals that this NIO stock has. But I think this should be a lesson learned to those short-term investors who are spreading the rumors that this stock will never recover. What even made matters worse for the short-term investors, it's when even big financial institutions started cutting down their price target on this NIO stock, which was crazy because it made those short-term investors to panic even more. But to some of the NIO long-term investors like us who know the strong fundamentals that this stock has, we were definitely motivated and we piled more, we added more positions on this NIO stock because we definitely believe where this company is going. I mean, you'll remember some of the biggest financial institutions in Wall Street encouraging us to buy. We even added more and more to our positions. So I hope that most of you guys increased your NIO holdings these past few weeks, as this stock was extremely cheap. And of course, to those that sold the NIO stock during the panic, I encourage you to ride along once more, because I can definitely assure you that this stock still has a very bright future ahead. Otherwise, with all that, allow me to welcome you to yet another video. Now on today's video, guys, we'll be going through the latest NIO stock price updates, which I think will be beneficial, especially that we are coming from the dramatic drop that we saw this NIO stock doing in the previous weeks. And still on this video, guys, we'll go through the rumors that have been trending this past week that could positively impact this NIO stock to skyrocket to the moon. So watch this video until the end, because guys, I definitely think that at the end of this video, you will definitely consider adding more to your NIO stock. And of course, to those that had sold, this might just be an encouragement for you to come back and buy once again this stock. Otherwise, just a disclaimer, please note that I'm not a professional financial advisor. If you seek professional financial advice, do the right thing and go consult the professionals. Guys, I think before we dig deep into this video, I think it's very important to stress out that, guys, the reason the NIO shares dropped so dramatically was because of the rapid rise of interest, which had risen to its highest level over a year. So this rapid rise of interest, we all know by now that not only did it affect NIO or the EV sector, but it affected almost all growth stocks. And as I said in the beginning of this video, since NIO is very strong fundamentally, it's obviously that big investors and us were always expecting it to recover from that rapid rise of interest. Guys, I think that it's also important that I stress out the fact that, guys, though fourth quarter NIO loss was wider than what most analysts expected, NIO is still a very good stock with a bright future ahead. Guys, let me remind you that NIO is one of the EV champions in China, and with expectations showing that electric vehicle will account 3 out of 5 new cars on China's road by 2030, as forecasted by the UBS or Union Bank of Switzerland, I think that you and me can agree on the fact that this company, NIO, has got a very bright future ahead, as it is one of the champions, like I said, in China. Now, guys, this UBS, not only did it project those projections in China, but it also indicated that by 2040, all the cars in the world might be EV cars, which I know that you might say that, well, it's quite debatable, I know, but I'm telling you, where the world is headed, I can definitely assure you that we could see the majority of the people in the world driving these EV cars. Now, these two projections that I just told you by the UBS or Union Bank of Switzerland, they should be the one to encourage you to stay long on this NIO stock. So this just means that, guys, do not let day-to-day movement of this stock influence you to sell this stock, but rather focus on where this stock is going. In other terms, rather focus on the long-term fundamentals of this stock. And now I'm sure you want to hear the big rumors that I just told you that I will be sharing with you on this video. Now, these big rumors that I want to share with you guys is the partnership of NIO with Sinopec. Now, this Sinopec group, guys, owns a company that is one of the largest fuel energy giant in China. Though these rumors are not yet confirmed, the Chinese security medias are already envisioning the prospects of NIO vehicles being able to change batteries at gas stations. In an article published on Monday, Securities Daily said, going to gas station changing batteries for the new energy vehicles. Then they closed by saying that this scenario is very close to becoming a reality, which these guys is a very good news for NIO. And if this partnership gets concluded, I can tell you for sure that NIO is going to take lead in this EV sector. So when NIO and Sinopec were asked about this partnership, they said that they will communicate about this partnership at the right time. And allow me to say this once again, that should this partnership be concluded, NIO is going to take lead in the EV sector. So I definitely think that, guys, this will be a very good deal should this deal be concluded. I definitely think that you and me should better watch and see what are the outcomes of this deal. But should it go through, guys, should this deal be concluded, I tell you, my friends, NIO is going to be the leader of this EV sector. Guys, let me remind you that NIO plans to have 500 battery swap stations by the end of this year. And we cannot forget that NIO's second generation swap station will be occupying 4 spaces. This second station generation will be able to store up to 13 batteries and will be capable of completing up to 312 battery swaps per day, which is absolutely great, guys. Now, just imagine this, with this NIO's partnership with Sinopec and these second generation swap stations, this will definitely make NIO to be more and more convenient to the China's residents. As I've said, that they will be able to change or swap their batteries at almost any gas station in China, which will mean that NIO will be able to attract more and more customers into coming and buying their cars, as they will be convenient. And guess what? That will result in this stock generating tons and tons of revenue. Now guys, allow me to say that, guys, NIO is a very good long-term investment, and should you hold your NIO positions for a longer term, you will receive good reward. Otherwise, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos. If you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button and share with your friends, colleagues, and family. And if you are new, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, guys, that's all from me today, and see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you all.